Longest time we've been talking about East Africa cooperation and looking at Africa and East Africa as a single destination. We are following up on what the heads of state have been able to do to sign the protocols that then make it easy for cross-border. And we've been talking about this cooperation for quite some time, and therefore the fact that Uganda found it worthwhile, bold enough to be able to come and showcase in Kenya is something that is very commendable. What we'd like to see going forward, the leadership, the stakeholders in Uganda have taken the cooperation route. We're hoping that the marketing agencies, that the Kenya Tourism Board, and even the counties that are involved in marketing should be able to take cue and support and work together with the stakeholders so that we're able to enhance these sorts of cooperations. We'd like to see Kenyans' cultures, the bomas of Kenya, cultural management being a devolved function. We'd like to see counties taking it more seriously, getting some lessons from what Uganda has been able to showcase and being able to take it to the next level.
The Uganda-Kenya Association is basically bordering on tourism, and this relationship began in 2022 and it has grown.
Uganda is #2 source market for Kenya. Last year Kenya got about 200,000 visitors from Uganda, and Kenya is the #1 source market for Uganda. Last year almost 500,000 Kenyans visited Uganda. So this is a very strong foundation on which we are building to make sure that more of our citizens visit each other's country, but also so that those tourists that come in from those other countries can also visit the two destinations.